Creative and fun learning. Potion recipes for good habits. On a Friday afternoon, the schoolyard at Magical Academy buzzed with excitement. Children clad in robes of every color swarmed the trees and benches, each eager to learn the secret potions that could help instill good habits in their daily lives. The esteemed Professor Potion stood before them, his long white beard flowing down to his waist. Professor Potion began by introducing the first magical potion, Kindness Elixir. This powerful concoction brings out the best in people when they're feeling down or misunderstood, he explained, pouring a delicate golden liquid into the cauldron. One by one, each child stepped up to add an ingredient to the brewing potion. The young witch stirred a vial of sunshine into the potion, while the young wizard carefully dropped in a pinch of rainbow dust. The kindness elixir began to bubble and steam, filling the air with a sweet aroma that made everyone feel warm inside. As the last ingredient was added, a mysterious green potion swirled within the cauldron before vanishing in a puff of smoke. With a wave of his wand, Professor Potion allowed the young witch and wizard to taste the kindness elixir together. They both closed their eyes and took a sip, feeling a warmth spread throughout their bodies. The next day, the children returned to their classrooms and homes armed with the kindness elixir. They shared toys, listened patiently, and even helped strangers without a second thought. Their actions left others amazed at this magic brew. A week later, it was time for the next magical potion, Patience Potion. This elixir would help children be more patient when faced with difficult situations or long waits. Once again, it was the young witch and wizard who added the final ingredient, Patience Leaves from the ancient tree of time. As they added each ingredient, the potion continued to bubble and steam, eventually swirling with a beautiful shimmering blue. With another puff of smoke, the elixir disappeared into their outstretched hands. The next day, they found themselves in a challenging situation, waiting for their favorite teacher to arrive. As they sipped the patience potion, they felt calm and peaceful. Despite their restlessness, they waited patiently until their teacher finally appeared. In the weeks that followed, every child at Magical Academy mastered their own magical potions for good habits. They practiced bravery, generosity, and perseverance with every sip of their elixirs. The schoolyard was filled with laughter, joy, and a newfound sense of responsibility. The young witch and wizard, now best friends, looked back on their magical journey with pride. They had learned valuable lessons about kindness, patience, and the power of good habits. As they ventured out into the world, they vowed to always carry their magical potions with them, ready to brew up a storm of positivity whenever needed.